Hey everybody, welcome back to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. Hope everybody's doing all right. Summer has begun, and I don't know about you guys, but we've had a little bit of heat. We've got ourselves another product review and a demonstration, and the product that we're doing is another cordless thermometer. This is the R-meter, okay, and this has your probe, your base unit, and of course the app. We're going to go over this, give it a little tutorial. Just some of the particulars about this. Charge time, only 2 hours. Okay, you get a whole day worth of use on the probe and the unit for 2 hours worth of charging. We're using Bluetooth 5.4. We've got a range of 229 feet. We've got our alarms, or visual and also audible alarms on the base unit, but the real cool thing is the app, and we're going to go over that soon enough. So we've got one of the most, probably one of the more, I guess, more substantial probes. It's a little discolored because I did a test run with this, so before we can talk more about it. But today what we're going to do is we're going to do a smoked spatchcock chicken. Okay, so essentially I took a whole chicken, cut the section of the backbone so I could butterfly it, and took a cleaver to the inside, to the breastplate, to open it up. And that's what we've got. So we've got this in a brine that you can use. We're going to put just some seasoning on it, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika. I have that pre-made. But for those of you who are tired of using these things, these probes tend to wear out soon enough, and you know, it's effective, but the idea if you're doing anything in the oven, here you've got yourself something that's much easier to work with. And when I was trying this out before, I had everything here sitting on while I was watching golf, so while everything was cooking. So the ease of use, the ease, everything about it, I can't say enough about it. I'm real positive about it. Here's the app itself. Okay, we're going to have an internal temperature, and this is what the probe is feeling right now. It's in my hand as we speak. Okay, so what we would do is put the probe in. There is a line that's embedded, engraved in the probe. It tells you how far to take it. Here we're going to put this right in the middle of the breast, through that line. And what that is, as you can see here, the internal temperature of the chicken right now is 48 degrees. What's really neat is we would hit this. We're doing chicken, so we hit the chicken app, and we would do medium well, and now that is our setup, which is really cool. There's two lines. You've got your food temperature, which is the red line, and then after some time, when it gets to a proper temperature, you will actually see the ambient temperature. So when we put this in the on the grill, we're going to smoke. We're going to use some wood chips. We're going to smoke this for about an hour and a half or so. We'll take the chips out, and then we'll cook this until it gets into temperature. So I'm really pleased with how this works. The Sweet Willy's grill. Now I got, my neighbor is cutting down a tree, so we might have to mute this. And here we go. We have the chicken. We have the ambient is low. As you guys can see, the graphs are showing progress. Okay, you can obviously see how everything changes. We opened up the grill and the temperature went down. We closed it, and then everything's ramping up nicely. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, hey, we're back, and as you can hear, we've hit our temperature. As you can see,
both the app and the main unit are in cahoots. So I'll be right back. I'm going to take the chicken off the grill, and we'll be right back.
All right, gang, we are back. As you can see, the chicken has been taken off. You saw the video footage of the audible alarm. As soon as it hits the programmed temperature, we've got the main unit. That was in line with the way the app went, and you know, I can't say enough about this. This is really something good. So what we do is we'll get this probe out of here. We'll give it a little twist, and so we can put that out. There we go. Take that out safely, wipe that down, and we'll wash that off, and we're ready to go. Oh, it's still warm. It's still warm. I'm real pleased with the way this worked out. I was very pleased with this with the app. A wonderful app. It's ARNEATOR. Armeter. Okay, you can get that at your Google Play or your App Store. So what you've got is the base unit and the probe all together. Got this little area for a hook and a magnet, so you could stick that on your grill if you wanted to. You've got the interface that we've been showing you with the application, which I can't say enough good things. You can program the Fahrenheit, the Celsius, what type of meat, what type of your target temperature, and you're all set to go with this. You've got 229 feet of range. So if you're outside, if your barbecue or pit or your oven is you know, within the house, or you don't have any issues with it. I can't say enough about this other than thank you, folks. I'll have the link down below on where you can pick this up through Amazon. There'll also be a Sweet Willy. We'll have a discount code. I believe it's 20% they're giving me for our viewers, and it is the Vicseed ammeter. Okay, so guys, really good stuff here, folks. And listen, I hope everybody's doing well. I want to thank everybody for watching. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.